welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making a strawberry pavlova. The first thing I'm going to do is whisk my egg whites until they form stiff peaks. I'm now going to whisk my caster sugar in a little bit at a time. Teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of cornflour. I have lined a cake tin with grease-proof paper. I'm now going to pour in my meringue. I'm now going to bake it in the oven for 1 hour. My oven is already preheated to 130 degrees. In my blender I have 100 grams of strawberries. I'm now going to add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. I'm now going to take my strawberry puree and pour it through a sieve. One tablespoon of icing sugar, now that my meringue has cooled, I'm going to take my knife and make a few cracks in the top so I can create a bowl. I'm now going to add my whipped cream on the base. Add my strawberries that I have just cut in half on the top. Finally, pour over my strawberry sauce. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.